Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today we are going to look at sunroof. How are we going to maintain it and service it so that it lasts longer, and most importantly, it doesn't have any water leaking into the car. Let's get to it. Okay, so when we are dealing with the sunroof, the first and most important thing that we need to do is make sure that it is clean. Well, this is considerably okay condition because the drainage hole is not stuck, but I'm going to show you in this video how we are going to clean this, all this, as well as the drainage hole. Okay, so as you can see, I've cleaned half of it, and this portion is not clean yet. This portion is not clean. Alright, most importantly, you can see that there's still a lot of dirt here as well, but once it's clean, it's clean. Alright, you may see some water stains over here. Those, well, if you use chemicals or you use a bit more time, you'll be able to remove it, but for the purpose of making sure that your sunroof does not leak water into your car, well, this is good enough. There are certain parts like over here that my brush doesn't reach. Well, I'm just gonna leave it as that. And you have all this clean. Now I'm gonna clean the other half. So it's actually very simple. All you need is just water, a brush, a toothbrush, and a piece of cloth. Okay, as for the drain hole, air duster. If it's clogged, put it in and just give it a few bursts. And what you have is the amount of dirt coming out over here. Okay, so let's continue first. Okay, so we have cleaned this side as well, and you can see all the dirt coming down from here. Okay, so now that we are done with the cleaning, of course, if you want it to look nicer, you can always use a cleaner wax and wax this portion off. Okay, and these are all just very minor water stains. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to apply a little bit of grease, a bit over here, and let it run. Okay, so it will spread the grease. So what type of grease you can use? You can always use lithium grease, which is perfectly fine. The red one or the yellowish one, yellowish brown one. Don't use the black one, that's not suitable. Use the red or the yellowish brown. Okay, you hear that squeak? I'm gonna show you how to solve that. Okay, where did that squeak come from? Here. Okay, it came from here and here. So what you do is you apply a very thin layer of grease, very thin, alright, just to lubricate it, so that when it touches the glass over here, there's a sort of a hard rubber mount here, so that when it touches here, it glides on smoothly. Okay? Okay, and that's it, guys. Everything's done, and if you notice, the car color is different because I was working on the Alphard, but the Ford EcoSport has a sunroof as well. And the reason why I'm on this side is to show you that it's similar. You have this, and you have a drainage hole inside here as well. Over here, not sure if you can see it. Yeah, over here. Alright, it's pretty dark, so it's a bit hard to see. Yep, you can see it over here. Okay, so it's the same. I'm coming down because this sunroof is much smaller and it's a bit harder to actually get across. So let's talk a bit about this DIY. Okay, so pretty easy, 15 to 20 minutes, you're done. The reason why your sunroof is always having problems is because it's dirty, or if you're the type that park under the under the trees, you might get debris from the tree, the leaves that is actually clogging up the drainage hole. So what happens is, if there's no place for the water to escape, it will overspill into the car interior. That's the way it is, because your entire sunroof, the entire bracket, channels, everything are within the car roof itself. There's only 2 pipes or 4 pipes channeling water out of the brackets. So make sure those are clean. If those are clean, you will not have any issues. Even if your rubber, this rubber, is in slightly bad condition where water goes in, as long as your drainage channels are clear, water will still go out properly. You will not have any issues. Okay, and then you saw that the squeak, I think that's very common for the Alphards and Wellfires. That's how you solve it, a very thin layer of grease. Okay, so the recording stopped. I think I accidentally pressed the stop recording button. So there's really no special tools for this, just water, brush, cloth, if you want maybe some soap. Okay, time it took for this DIY is about about 15 to 20 minutes. It's actually pretty simple, nothing technical about it. So the most important thing is you need to keep your channels, the rail channels, clean. If your sunroof is stuck halfway or doesn't close or doesn't open, well, the first thing you need to check is whether or not the rails are caked up with dirt, or if there's anything blocking it, especially if you have kids and the sunroof was open with them playing over there previously. So check if they actually left some toys there, because that happened to my sunroof. My daughter left some toys there. Kids, you hate them and you love them. Okay, so as usual, if you like this, hit this. If you dislike, hit this. But if you hit this, please leave us a comment down below on what is it that you don't like, or how is it that you want us to improve. If you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, because every subscription counts and I am counting on you guys. And hit the bell button so you get notified on our next uploads. Until then, I will see you again. See ya.